How many times have you started a recipe and then realized that you need boneless chicken thighs? Well, I don't know about where you are, but boneless chicken thighs are a little bit hard for me to find here in France. So let's debone some chicken thighs. Hey guys, thanks for joining us. If this is your first time tuning in, let us know you're out there by giving us a big thumbs up below and then hit that subscribe button to make sure you never miss a video. Now, let's start cooking. First thing that I like to do is just kind of open it up in the back of the thigh, and you've got two ends of the bone here. So there's the bone and here's the end of the bone. What I like to do is just find the bone itself, and I'll take my knife, and again, you need a sharp knife to do this, but I'm putting my knife along this, basically the side of the bone, where it's just kind of exposing it. You see that? See, I've exposed the bone here on this side, and now do the same thing on this side, where you're exposing the bone. There we go. So now there's basically no meat on this bone. And now the easiest thing to do is just pick it up, take your knife underneath, and just slide right this way. And now you can use the back, if you've got a boning knife, especially like this with a firm blade, you can just use this to scrape the meat down the bone. And then just trim around the end of the bone. And there you have it, boneless chicken thigh. It is that simple. So quit wasting your money on buying boneless chicken thighs. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, give us a thumbs up below and hit that subscribe button. It's free. And ring the bell if you want to be notified as soon as we release a new video. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any special recipe requests. We really appreciate you tuning in. See you next time.